Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to learn how to add payment method on EA account step by step. If you want to buy games, EA Play, or in-game points in titles like EA Sports FC24, Apex Legends, or The Sims 4, then you need to enter your payment method. First of all, launch open your browser and go to the official Electronic Arts website, that is ea.com. Simply type in ea.com in the URL box and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to the upper right corner and click on your profile icon and select Account Settings button. Now, from your account settings page, go to the left hand side menu and click on Payment and Wallet. Under Payment and Wallet, select Payment Methods. Now click on Add Payment Method on the next page. Now select whether you'd like to add PayPal as your payment method or credit card. Choose any one option from the menu and enter your details. If you've selected PayPal, enter your PayPal account's credential and sign in. If you've selected credit card, enter your first name, your last name, your credit card number, expiry date, security code, and finally click Save at the bottom right corner. Right after you do that, you'll be able to add your payment method on ea.com account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.